Hi guys! Today I'm going to show you how I dermaroll my skin, otherwise known as microneedling. And I've done a couple of these videos before over the years, but my whole entire view on dermarolling has completely changed since I started following Jen Amber. She is the microneedling dermarolling queen. She is an esthetician, a fellow YouTuber. She is amazing, you guys. If you have any questions at all about dermarolling, go follow her channel. I will link it down below for you guys. She has a website. All of these products I'm going to show you today are by her personally, and I am not getting paid for this video. I have completely shifted the way that I dermaroll my skin because of everything she has taught me and her products. All of her products are vegan, organic, paraben-free, cruelty-free, fragrance-free, non-toxic. They are everything that you would ever want to put on your skin, and you're gonna get results. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is take a cotton pad. I've already washed my face 3 times to make sure that my face is super clean with nothing on it. And I'm just gonna take some 91% rubbing alcohol, which I would never put on my face otherwise, but for this, I am going to disinfect my skin. This is something that I never would have thought of before I learned from Jen Amber. It is totally burning my eyes and it stinks, and I don't like putting alcohol on my skin, but I would much rather have to smell this and put alcohol on my face than get an infection. You are going to be putting teeny tiny little needles into your skin, and you don't want to risk getting an infection. So clean your skin, scrub it, clean it, do your whole skincare routine, and then use alcohol. Oh, and look at this. Can you see that on the pad? Even after I cleaned my face 3 times and used micellar water, I'm still getting that from alcohol off my skin. Gross. All of the products are going to come to you completely sterile and disinfected. However, I am spraying it again with alcohol. Just keep everything super, super clean. When I lay it down in front of me, I place it down like this to let the alcohol dry. Don't rinse the alcohol off, and keep it right there. I'm also going to show you guys how I use this aqua stamp. This thing is the coolest thing ever. I'm going to spray this tip with alcohol. I'm actually going to start with this. So this is an aqua stamp, and as you can see, I have some serum inside of there. You take the top off like this, and this is a glass reusable bottle. I've already squirted some of this hyaluronic acid serum. By the way, you guys, this is a new one of my favorites that is a part of my skincare routine every day now. Her hyaluronic acid is like nothing I have ever felt before. Hyaluronic acid to me just really didn't seem like anything. I use it in other skincare ingredients, but when I've tried it pure like this, I really wasn't impressed until I tried this. So now this is one of my new favorites. She also has a 20% vitamin C booster, and I'm gonna add some of this in with the hyaluronic acid. So I've got both serums in here, and I'm just gonna shake that up. Then you put the top back on. This top has tiny little needles in it. So turn it upside down, and it has this little gold tip right there and the tiny little needles around there. So you just push on that until you get it going, and my hand is completely sanitized. So you can see the serum is starting to come out. Make sure your hands are super clean. All you do is start pressing it into your skin and into the little lines. So you're pressing with the little needles these serums into your skin. These needles are 0.25. You can do this every other day. I like to do this around, I have these little mouth lines in the corner. I like to focus on that. I like to focus on my lips. Just shake the serums down. This will help with lines and wrinkles. It'll help plump up your lips. See, I have a teeny tiny little dot of blood there. That is no big deal. Like, I'm not even feeling this. The goal is not to make yourself bleed, but sometimes you do. It's no big deal. Plus I have the serum on my skin, so that's gone already. You can also do this around your eyes to help plump up that skin around your eyes. Do it as much or as little as you want. I have hyper sensitive skin, so I'm going to look more red than probably most people. And this is totally not painful at all. These are teeny tiny little needles. I'm just tapping. I'm also going to go down the nasolabial folds. Again, I've been doing this every other day, and do it whatever feels comfortable to you. If you're a beginner and just starting out and you've never done this before, I would recommend these teeny tiny little needles. And like every 3 months, you can increase the needle size. Again, if you guys have any questions at all, please go on Jen Amber's YouTube channel. She has a video for every question under the sun you would ever have about microneedling and derma rolling, and that is her profession. That's what she does, so you're going to get professional advice from her. I also have a discount code for you guys if you are interested in any of these products that I'm going to show you today. I will link that down below in the description box. So you can use this for hyperpigmentation, for hair growth, like the longer needles. I'm going to put up a chart for you guys that Jen Amber created of how often and what length needles to use, and it tells you any question that you would have. So this will also help with hyperpigmentation. I have this spot that I'm constantly working on above my eyebrow. Okay, and that is it for the aqua stamp. Now I'm going to soak that with alcohol, let that dry, and put the top back on that. Now I'm going to go to the 0.5 millimeter roller. This is stainless steel, so is the aqua stamp. These are individual needles, so it's not going to tear at your skin. The crummy, old, cheap derma rollers that I used to use were so bad for your skin, and I didn't even realize it. I'm so grateful that she educated me on all of this information, and now these are the only ones that I use. So I use this one on my jawline. These needles are a little bit longer. Again, you can do this as much or as little as you want, depending on how long you've been doing it, what results you're looking for, how aggressive you want to be with it. I am not very aggressive with this, and it still gives incredible results. It's almost like giving yourself a facelift. I will be 52 years old this year, and I have never had any Botox, fillers, any anti-aging procedures, anything like that. So I take my skincare super, super seriously. And if you guys follow me, you know one of my other ride or die products is the LED anti-aging light that stimulates collagen, the red light. This DERMAROLLING is my other ride or die for sure, as far as keeping your skin as youthful as possible, stimulating as much collagen as possible without any kind of Botox or fillers or anything like that. Also, the products that you're using on your skin. There are so many different ways that you can keep your skin healthy. These are just two of my favorites that have really shown results for me. So a couple basic things to know. Do not dermaroll if you have active acne. Like if you have a red pimple with like any pus in it, do not dermaroll. If you have any kind of rash or broken skin, do not dermaroll. Wait until all of that heals. If you are getting any kind of fillers or Botox, you need to wait a full 2 weeks before you dermaroll. If you're using any kind of retin-A acids or anything like that, any kind of like deep exfoliation, like microdermabrasion, anything like that, wait a full week after that until your skin has finished exfoliating and healing. I have this scar on my neck right here from, I had a ProDisc replacement that they did in my spine through the front. So this is also good for getting rid of scars, making them look less noticeable. So this helps to increase collagen, tighten your skin, helps with scars, with hair growth. You can actually dermaroll your scalp with this, your eyebrows. This will help your eyebrows grow. It helps with rosacea, hyperpigmentation, and dark spots, lines, wrinkles, and plumping your lips. It has so many wonderful benefits for your skin. But again, you have to follow this guideline right here. I'm going to show you again what Jen Amber made this up, so you guys are not using the wrong size needles. You're not going to be dermarolling too often and damaging your skin. That's why I really urge you guys to follow her. She's also on Instagram and she posts constantly. You can look up on her website. You can look her up on YouTube to make sure that you're doing this correctly. Okay, I'm going to disinfect my dermaroller, put it away in the container. Now I'm going to take a little more of the hyaluronic acid. Oh, this is so soothing. I'm gonna massage that into my skin. Jen Amber Beauty also came out with this cream. This is 10% vitamin C and squalane repair cream. The squalane is made from olives and it is amazing. You can use this right after dermarolling. It's like a nice cream. Oh, my skin feels amazing. So I like to dermaroll right before I go to bed. And when I wake up in the morning, any of this redness is completely gone. And you can put your makeup on in the morning just like normal, do your normal skincare routine tomorrow. I also have a 20% off discount code for you guys for any products that you want to try from Jen Amber's website. Again, I will link everything that you need to know down in the description box. I will also link it to the top comment for you. Thank you so much, Jen Amber, for turning me on to your incredible products. They are a forever part of my skincare routine now. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to see more videos. You can also click the little notification bell next to the subscribe button to be notified of all the videos that I upload. I hope everyone is doing well and safe and healthy and happy. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Bye.